What do we mean by objectives? Objectives always means that if we just consider the meaning of objective, objective means the purpose. So what is the purpose of the business? We have already discussed. What comes to our mind first is that the purpose of the business is to earn profit. But as far as business studies is concerned, we have written the entire theory about the objectives of business. What is the purpose of business? And for that, we have divided it into two parts. We have classified it into two broad categories. One is the economic objective and the second is the social objective. So there are economic objectives of business and there are social objectives of business. First, we will study about the economic objectives of business. What are the economic objectives of business? Can you think in your mind why business has been made? What can be the economic objectives?
Earning profit.
Earning profit, definitely. What else? What can be our objective in mind? What can be the purpose which we are thinking in our mind? These are the economic objectives of business. First is the profit earning. Profit is the basic thing through which the business is surviving. Without profit, we cannot think of business. Though there can be a situation of no profit, no loss, but we are always thinking about profit, that our main purpose is to earn profit because we need profit to survive, we need profit to expand. And here one word is also written, diversify. What do we mean by diversify? Diversify means that I want to increase the spectrum of my business. For example, today if I am dealing in soap, then I want to make detergents also, then I want to make shampoos also, so I want diversification. For all that purpose, I want money, right? And then the second point, second objective given to us is market standing. What do we mean by market standing? Market standing means that what is my position in the market. In the market, many similar industries must be working. Like if we talk about bathing soap, there is Lux, there is Nivea, there is Dove. So everyone is trying to capture a good market standing, that what is our position in the market. An organization is able to create its market standing when it is able to win over its competitors by providing qualitative products at competitive prices. Market standing means an organization is having stronger footing and larger share for its product in the market. For example, if we just visualize that pie chart in our mind, that this is the pie chart, and if we consider that this is 100% of the market, 100% of the customers. So as a business organization, what I always want is that I want the maximum share of customers. दिस इज माई मार्केट स्टैंडिंग. वहां पर मैंने अपना इतना पैर जमा लिया है कि मेरे पास ही कस्टमर आ रहे हैं, इवन कॉम्पिटिटर्स के भी कस्टमर मेरे पास आ रहे हैं. बट हाउ कैन आई डू इट व्हेन आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग क्वालिटी गुड्स एट कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइसेस. Then there is another economic objective is innovation. Innovation means that something new ideas are coming. So this is one of my economic objective, that I want to do innovation in the market. Innovation means introduction of new ideas or methods through which something is done or made. Innovation can be achieved by innovating the products or services being offered in the market, by innovating the skills and activities needed to supply the products and services. Innovation is giving something new to the customer. Like one example I used to give to my students, when as this pollution start increasing, so there were a lot of air purifiers coming into the market. So by innovating the product, they bring this new product in the market, air purifier, and they try to earn money by that. And then the fourth economic objective is productivity. Productivity refers to the comparison of value of outputs with their value of inputs. Productivity aims at the best possible use of available resources in an organization. So, productivity means that whatever the resources are available with us, men, material, machines, money, materials, and machines. These are considered as the four M's of marketing, four M's of the business. So these four M's of business, that with these inputs I'm getting the best output. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm not wasting any of the resources.